Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from MentorKu. My name is Andy and today we're going to discuss using cohesive devices for writing. Okay, so in writing tasks, you need to write coherently, that is, link points within a sentence and between sentences. Okay, and the first cohesive device is pronouns. Okay, let's look at this example. Many people enjoy retirement. Many people find they have the time for activities they enjoy. So you can see there is a repetition of the word many people in the second sentence. So you can use pronouns to replace many people in the second sentence to make it more cohesive. So it becomes like this. Okay, so we replace many people in the second sentence with the pronoun they. Okay, so that the writing or the essay can be more cohesive by using pronoun, and that's the first cohesive device. And the next cohesive device is apposition. Apposition is a noun that comes before or after another noun and has the same meaning. For example, over the last 2 decades, population aging has accelerated in the UK. Population aging is a common trend throughout the developed world. So we can see that there is population aging in both sentences. Now we can use apposition to make this more cohesive. And it becomes like this. Okay, over the last 2 decades, population aging, and then we use this one. A common trend throughout the developed world has accelerated in the UK. So we put the second sentence, which talks about what is population aging, a common trend throughout the developed world, and make it into an apposition, so that it can be more cohesive. Rather than writing in 2 sentences, you can make it into 1 sentence. And that's the second device, apposition. Okay, now we have this or these plus summary word. Example, the population in urban areas has grown particularly quickly. The population growth in urban areas has put pressure on local services. So you can see here the population in urban areas and the population growth in urban areas. So they are 2 of the same noun. So you have to replace using this or these plus summary word. And how it becomes? Okay, it comes like this. Population in urban areas has grown particularly quickly. Now, this trend has put pressure on local services. So we use this since it is singular, population growth, and then what we call this one, population growth in urban areas, we can replace it with trend. So just say this trend has put pressure on local services. And that's the third one, this or these plus summary word. Next, we have coordinating conjunctions as the next cohesive device. Okay, for example, there are more job opportunities in cities. People migrate to cities from rural areas. Now, we can combine these 2 sentences or join them using coordinating conjunction. And in this case, we will use so. So there are more job opportunities in cities, so people migrate to them from rural areas. And there is also that we have the one that we have to change, this one. Them, so replace cities here in the second sentence. And we use the pronoun them. Okay, once again, to make it more cohesive. So for this one, the main point is actually for coordinating conjunctions. So besides so, we also have and, but, we also have for, nor, and yet, and we also have other coordinating conjunctions. But the most common ones are usually and, but, or so. So this is the fourth one for cohesive device, coordinating conjunctions. Next one will be subordinating conjunctions. Let's look at the example. Couples are under pressure to work. Couples often delay starting a family. So we can combine these two sentences using subordinating conjunctions. And in this case, we will use because. Because couples are under pressure to work, they often delay starting a family. And one more thing that we have to change is that we have to use the pronoun they here to replace. They here. This one replace couples in the second sentence. Okay, and that's how to make these two sentences into a more cohesive one, by using subordinate conjunctions because. The next one will be relative pronouns for the cohesive device. For example, lower mortality is due to increased longevity. Increased longevity results from improved healthcare. Now, you can see there is a word which is used in both sentences. In this case, increased longevity, and the same with the second one. So I replace the increased longevity in the second one with the relative pronoun which. Okay, so this one, the increased longevity, okay, here, is replaced by the relative pronoun which. Okay, so that you can also avoid repetition and make it more cohesive. And for the last cohesive device, we have sentence linkers. Okay, example, people want to enjoy retirement. People do not always save enough for a comfortable retirement. So you can combine these two sentences using a sentence linker. Okay, we'll use however. So it becomes, people want to enjoy retirement, however, they do not always save enough for a comfortable retirement. So this kind of like giving a contrast. People want to enjoy retirement, however, or but they don't always save enough for a comfortable retirement. So there are two contrasting things. That's why you can use the sentence linker, however, in this example. So the last one is sentence linker. This is the last cohesive device. But remember that readers will assume that each sentence in a paragraph logically develops or supports the preceding sentence unless they are told otherwise. This means that sentence connectors such as in addition and moreover should be used sparingly, if at all. On the other hand, logical relationships that are surprising or indicate a contrast of ideas normally require signposting expressions such as however in this example. Okay, so that are all the cohesive devices that you can use to make your writing more cohesive. Thank you for your attention. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.